High Mile Coyote Mustang's back! Hey, what's up? It's an exciting day. Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Can you believe it? The High Mile Coyote Mustang's back. Think about this. It's February 2017 when you watch the first video on this car. Now, hey, if you're new to this channel, I'll put a link at the end so you can watch all the videos about this, because right now you might be confused what's going on. But for the fans out there, it is back. Took the car out of storage, watch this pull. I'm gonna tell you how I'm rebooting the High Mile Coyote Mustang for 2019. All right, that was the last pulls you're gonna see of this car naturally aspirated. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And then, of course, hit notify, but check it out. I got Doug with me today. I have the High Mile Coyote Mustang. Big day, because it's the last day I'm gonna run this car on the dyno, naturally aspirated. So I've had some different plans for this car. I was gonna put some camshafts in it. I'm gonna skip that right now. I'm going straight to boost. I'm gonna show you in a minute what I have in store for this car. But let's think back a little bit. This car, February 2017, 160,000 miles. Remember back then we bought it. We checked it out, we looked how good condition it was. It was awesome. We raced it, we built it. All those videos, we built this car. Got it down to 11.1 all motor, which was sick. And then we put the Zex nitrous kit on it. I think I ran 1040s with that. That was awesome. Car up in storage, I'm super busy. A lot of you are like, I wanna see more of this car, I wanna see more of this car. We're up to like 165,000 miles on this car right now. I've been driving around on E85. I'll show you that graph in a minute. The 2018 intake manifold, which is not the setup that's on this car last time you saw the car in the dyno. I'll go show you that here in a second, but I'm all about the boost right now. So what's getting ready to happen? Rebooting this car. It's 2019, big plans. So here's what's coming up. Actually, let's go over and look at the dyno graph. I wanna show you what just happened with the E85 and the 18 manifold. I wanna be done with that. And then we're gonna talk all about the future, boost, stock engine, boost, built engine, big fuel system. Let's look at the graph. All right, so it's been a couple of years since you saw this car in the dyno, close to a couple of years. But just now it made 431 rural horse, 362 torque. Very close to the power it made when I was running 11.1s, 11.2s, 11.3s, depending on driver, depending on the track. But right now we're running 85 and 18 manifold. Prior to this, I was running 93 octane and the Ford racing manifold. Doug, look at this real quick. We're at 431 rural horse, 362 torque. Now back when I had the Ford Performance, I should say, manifold, which is our Cobra Jet setup, we were at about 420-ish, I think, rural horse, and about 370 torque, right around there. And here's the deal, it's very close. Our 93 here in Indiana is awesome. I mean, I can run an aggressive tune with that. Naturally aspirated, 85. Yeah, it's cool, but we have really good 93 octane here. So all motor at this power level, the power came out really close with the Cobra Jet setup in 93 versus 85 and 18 manifold. And I will say the 18 manifold is way cheaper than the Ford Performance Cobra Jet setup. So it's not a bad thing. It's just down low, I was doing a little bit better with the Cobra Jet setup. But all in all, looking at the graphs and everything, I think it's gonna be very similar on the quarter mile, within a tenth either way. But honestly, I'm kind of over this all motor stuff on this car. I'm ready to move forward. The 85 and 18 manifold's been running good, so if you like that, I mean, we can do that for you. I'm running a JLT cold air intake right now with this setup. It's not a very expensive setup. I am running 47-pound injectors to handle the 85. So you do have some ups and downs with the 85. There's some benefits at the track, some benefits with power. If you only can get 90 or 91 octane, good benefits at 85. You get some sweet 93 like we have here in Indiana, you know, your benefits are kind of like questionable. So anyways, enough about that all motor stuff. Let's go over and check out the new supercharger that just came in for this car. I'm gonna tell you the plans for the future. Oh, hey, and one other thing. Earlier when I said 85 and 93, a lot of times similar, I'm talking naturally aspirated, like a 400 rural horse car. I'm not talking supercharged, it's not the same thing. Blower cars, yes, 85, the bomb. I'm talking 400 rural horsepower cars. Sometimes 93 octane 85 are very similar, and Sometimes there's benefits, sometimes there's not. But this is an 85 video. This is the High Mile video. Check this out. Big Vortech. Check it out right here. Awesome. All right, Doug, I'm gonna show you the tag on this thing. Okay, check out V7 JTB race. Now, here's a plan with this. We're gonna do air-to-air intercooled. 8-rib conversion. The car is gonna be sick. I got all kinds of pulleys. I even went through it. This actually just came in. I'm not gonna do an unboxing video on this because I actually wanna do a video about this blower in the future. I just kinda wanna show you what's coming up. Lots of pulleys, lots of awesome parts in here. But look at this, you got the air-to-air intercooler down there. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna start out at lower boost in the stock engine. Okay, we're up to 165,000 miles. I'm gonna have to add a boost pump. I'm gonna put some bigger injectors in. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Maybe some DW95s or like ID 1300s. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm gonna do some big injectors, a boost pump, stock engine, and this supercharger, I don't know, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 PSI of boost. I do not wanna blow the engine, okay? Here's why. A lot of you out there like, just go crazy. Take the High Mile car up and go crazy and see what happens. Well, when you blow your engine, you damage your cylinder heads. I could damage the supercharger, all right? Cylinder heads I can deal with. I don't wanna mess the supercharger up. So I'm probably gonna take it up higher than I would tell you to take it up. That's normally what I do. I'm gonna get more aggressive with the car than what I would normally do with your car, but just for fun, see what it does. You know, maybe I'm saying what we should do is with the 165,000 miles on this, we drop this car down to the 9s. I think we should try that. And I think we should turn it up and hopefully the stock engine holds together and we see what happens there. But after that, I've already built a Webster short block for this car. I'm gonna show you in another video, do a whole video on that. And then we're gonna do a new fuel system as well. Probably some different fuel, I don't know. I might start out with race fuel on the stock 165,000 mile engine. Might, when I get a built engine in, do some E85 stuff. I don't know yet. So we're rebooting this. I really don't know. I'm spitting out ideas. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. Don't necessarily hold me to it, but that's kind of like what's in my brain. So I want to let you know what I'm thinking, but everyone's been wanting to see the High Mile Mustang. I'm wanting to get it back out. It's finally nice weather here in Indiana, and it's time to get this car back on the track, boosted, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed, thanks for watching. Hope you're as excited as I am about this thing getting rebooted. Again, please subscribe, hit notify, and leave comments about this car. I have an answer. I will put a link at the end in just a second, so you can watch videos 1 through where we're at right now. It's been a good run with this car. Time to reboot it, time to get boosted. I'm out of here. Thanks.